Presenting a pre-owned 2006 Jeep Wrangler Sport. This two-door SUV has a 6-cylinder, 4.0-liter i6 engine, with 4-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Jeep has less than 66,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 13 miles per gallon in the city, and 16 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include front air conditioning, airbags, power steering, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, tow hooks, and rear privacy glass. Thank you for visiting Michael's Motorcars. Since 1996 we have been the Jersey Shore's premier dealership, specializing in quality automobiles at great prices, guaranteed financing available. Stop in for a test drive today or call 732-775-4444.